Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a first aid cover, and it's one that I got a little while ago. Not when it was brand new. This is one I bought in a third party from eBay. It's Terry Pratchett's Discworld. The reason I had to buy it third party was because I didn't see it in time at the Royal Mail shop. The first, we have 8 stamps of various values, and I have the larger postcards so we don't have to zoom in too much. And this is the first one. It's a first class stamp, and it shows Ringwald, is it Ringwald? Sorry, Rincewind. And it's a first class stamp of Rincewind. Now, I don't know these characters that well. I've only just got the book and I have only just started to read it, so you have to forgive me for not knowing all the characters by heart. This is a second stamp, and the second stamp is Meist von Lipwig. Another first class stamp. As you can see, they were issued at the time of Queen Elizabeth II, so towards the back end of 2022. The next one is the Librarian. Looks more like an orangutan, doesn't it? An oversized orangutan. We then have Granny Weatherwax, which is like the Librarian, is a £1 stamp. Good use of colour on there, the green to show up, which is quite a dark colour. We then have Sam Vimes, or Vimes. As I said, I've not really read this Terry Pratchett book yet, so, and that's a £2 stamp. Another £2 stamp is Death and Mort, and Death and Mort will be that one there, that stamp there. The £2.20 stamp is Tiffany Aching, holding a frying pan there to batter somebody with. That's a £2.20 stamp. And finally, the turtle or tortoise holding the Discworld up and flying around with it on its back is the Great Atuin. As I said, these stamps weren't sent to me. Even so, I've got a little orange part of a post-it note there, so the person who it was sent to as an address, which is down in that corner, isn't shown. So there we go. We've got 2 first class stamps, 2 £1 stamps, 2 £2 stamps, and 2 £2.20 stamps. And then we have the Terry Pratchett's. So his photograph, I think it is actually, isn't it? Sadly, Terry's no longer with us, but This set of stamps gives a wonderful feel of his mysterious world that Discworld was. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed but you believe I deserve it, could you please also subscribe to the channel. I do a minimum of 5, usually 6 videos a week, so you've got plenty of choice of what to watch. Until we meet up again, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we do meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.